Good morning friends, this is Kumar Veerbhadra Singh and you are watching Veerbhadra Weapon Class and Outdoors. So कुछ दिनों पहले मेरे एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने मुझे दो पैलेट्स भेजे थे जो इंडिया मार्केट में न्यू है. So one is spot on 10.34 grain and another is spot on 13.88 grain. So ये बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का काम होता है when you review a pellet. So I thought that maybe I should try these pellets in best possible air gun. So right now I have with me is the Precihold का मैच प्रो. इसमें मैंने एयर गन इंडिया से खरीद के वो डाला हुआ है मैग्नम स्प्रिंग मैग्नम हैमर स्प्रिंग. तो इसकी वेलोसिटी जो है 100 FPS के करीब इंक्रीज हो गई है. सो नाउ इट कैन इजीली रीच अप टू 30-40 yards फ्लैट, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम यूजिंग अ 3940 cheap Chinese gamer scope, and the trigger is outstanding. It just break under 30-35 grams. So the barrel is long, choke. So this is the best gun as per my experience to test this pellet. This अगर वो pellets जो है इस गन में अगर अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं तो अच्छी बात है. हम देखेंगे. अभी ये मेरे लिए भी नए पैलेट्स हैं, तो मैं यहाँ पे इसको 32 यार्ड्स पे सेट करवा रहा हूँ टारगेट, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं. ले जाइए. और हम फाइव शॉट्स के दो करेंगे. द ब्रिज इज ओपन, द रेंज इज सेफ. सबसे पहले आई विल गिव अ ट्राई ऑफ spot on 10.34 grains and we'll see that how it goes. एक ही रखिए, ज़्यादा रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. करेंटली ये इंडिया का बेस्ट एक्यूरेट गन है. चाहे आप ट्रिगर की बात कर लो, ट्रिगर इसका फेदर बैठे, बिकॉज इट इज बेसिकली मेड फॉर 10 मीटर match practices. So it is a match gun. Trigger is outstanding. The barrel quality is, you all know that how Precihold barrel are, and after increasing the power and putting the scope, let's go for the best and start the shooting. Okay. The first shot. Oh shit. I'm hand picking pellets for better accuracy, but let's see क्या आता है बन के. Baby G, the gun is shooting very hot. The sound is, you can see, you can hear, you guys hear. The sound is like shooting a 22 pistol or 22 LR. So definitely Air Gun India Magnum Spring, great shout out to those guys. Their spring is working, especially for the velocity, the Magnum Spring. Group is expanding, as I can see the 10.34 grains. The groups are expanding, maybe 1 inches or more than half inches, it is for sure. Show some love, baby. पीछे जाइएगा. It's grouping, but the thing is, the group size is not very great. I should smaller group with this finger. I'm not saying the pellet is bad, but yeah, this gun is not lacking very much the Spartan 10.34 range. Okay, ये 5 शॉट था. Spartan 10.34 grain round head pellet. Now another 5 shots from this bad babies. Show some love, baby. Show some love. Okay. Spartan 13.88 grain. Show me what you got, baby. ज़्यादा ही इंग्लिश हो गया आज लेकिन. I'm going to show what it is. No, nothing is no edit, no power cuts, no edit cuts, nothing. All real time shooting, as I always try to do. पीछे जाना तो इधर से निकलो, इधर पीछे से. स्पॉटन का जो रिव्यू मैं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू एंड विद दिस गन ओनली. आई ट्राई टू पिक दिस गन because it has a great trigger, it has a great barrel, no doubt, and I thought that it should perform very well with these pellets. But if it is not performing well, then I will try another rifles also to make my final verdict. So this is basically part one with this gun. This is Spartan for the checking the accuracy of a Spartan pellet. Okay, you can see one flyer. Oh baby G, now we are talking. Though I had a trigger pull or a flyer which just went half inches right, but another three was good. Three were good. लालमोहन जी, तो रुकिए, तो इस शॉट के बाद वो डब्बा लेते ही आइएगा. रुकिए रुकिए. फ्लायर था, तो आई एम गोइंग टू शूट वन मोर पैलेट. The distance is pretty good. It is not 10 or 15 or 25 yards. आप देख लो डिस्टेंस ये है क्या, ये क्या है. अभी जब जाएंगे लाने तो यू कैन काउंट द स्टेप ऑफ लाल मोहर, जिससे यू कैन इजीली गेस हाउ मेनी यार्डेज it might be. लेके आइए. The gun is in safe direction. The safety is on. And now see. Now let's see. जल्दी जल्दी लाइए भाई. अभी जाइए अपना काम करिए, हम भी अपना काम करें. It's 7:35 a.m. and it's already hot, humid, and I'm sweating from every corner, literally. It is very responsible thing to review a product because लोग आपके रिव्यू के आधार पे ही अपना परचेज डिसाइड करते हैं. And since I don't do paid promos, so okay guys, here what it is. So around 30, 33, 32 yards. Let me get something to check the size of it. Let me get a scale. I am going to pause it for now. So here is my caliper. The battery is down, so we will do it manually. Center to center, the spot end 10.34 grains, 5 shots. (23 mm group, and with the spot end 13.34 grain. Well, it is over an inch, 32 mm. So frankly speaking, I'm not very satisfied with the result given by this gun and with that pellet. So this is not the end of it. So what we'll do with some other air rifles to check these air pellets, and we'll see that in part 2, then how it's performing, and then we'll make a conclusion then whether they can be replacement of JSBs or not, because you can see JSBs can shoot at this distances like this. So the spot and 10.34 did around 22 mm and just under the inch, and the spot and 18.88, it bit the group was little bit open. So yeah, it is what it is. So the PX100 Match Pro, which is tuned for power, these two pellets, those were either the bad pellets or I pulled the shot, but the group lies here. Now let me make another bullseye for a spot and 10.34 and another for 13.8 grain, and I'll shoot with another air rifle and see what happens. Okay, that is part 1 for you guys. Hope you like. If you like, consider subscribing. Bye bye, take care.